If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable appliance repair service, well, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local appliance repair service, and we're committed to creating satisfied customers and handling all of your appliance repair needs. Whether you need a dishwasher, washing machine, dryer, stove, or refrigerator fixed, we can do it all. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your appliance repair service.
If you were watching this video, your washing machine must be leaking all over the floor. Or maybe your dishwasher has quit washing. Or your stove is not cooking anymore. You need fast service by trained professionals. So, you were searching online. We are glad you found us because we can help. We can provide you with fast professional service at an affordable price. We believe in customer satisfaction and have years of experience. And we are licensed and insured. Don't wait any longer. Just give us a call, and we will be there right away and get it fixed as quickly as possible.
Are you in need of furnace repair? Is your current furnace breaking down or not operating properly? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local furnace repair service, and we pride ourselves on being professional, reliable, and affordable. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Our furnace technicians have years of experience repairing all major brands of furnaces, and we get the job done right the first time. So contact us now and find out why so many local customers come to us for all of their furnace repair needs. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. If you're ready to order or just want more information, please contact us now via the email address below or simply call the number on your screen. We look forward to talking with you.